Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to do some 9-2 fractions and mixed numbers as quotients. So we're just adding on to our previous lesson of 9-1 of using fractions and division. So if you're given the problem 7 divided by 5 and you want to write that as a fraction, well, how many pieces do we have? We have 7, and how many times are we breaking it apart? 5 times. That's your fraction, but that's an improper fraction. So just like what we've always done, we're just going to change this into a mixed number. So you're going to do 7 divided by 5, because you always do your numerator divided by your denominator, if your numerator is bigger. So 5 goes into 7 one time, so 7 minus 5 is 2. So I'm left with 2. So I have 1 and 2 fifths, because we're going to take this remainder and make it our new numerator up here. And we still have the denominator of 5. So our answer is 1 and 2 fifths. Okay, what about 2 divided by 3? Well, how many pieces do we have? 2, so that's our numerator. And how many times are we breaking those apart? 3 times, so 3 is our denominator. 2/3. 2/3 isn't an improper fraction, so we just leave it as 2/3. You're just saying 2 is being divided by 3. And that's all you have to do. Okay. We have 15 divided by 4. Well, how many pieces do we have? We have 15, so 15 is our numerator. And how many parts are we breaking it into? 4. Okay. 15 over 4 is an improper fraction, and I want to change it into a mixed number. So I'm going to take my numerator of 15 and divide it by 4. Now 4 can go into 15 3 times, make it 12. So when we do 15 minus 12, we're left with a remainder of 3. So instead of doing decimals, we're just going to have a fraction as a remainder. We're going to have 3 and 3/4 as our answer, because we're taking this remainder and making it a fraction up here. And that's our mixed number. Now let's say we have some word problems like we did in 9-1. 3 friends share 5 pounds of trail mix. Alright, how many pieces of something do we have? Well, we have 5 pounds of trail mix. That's how much stuff we have. So that's always our numerator. And then how many times we're dividing it up? In this case, people, how many people are going to share it, is our denominator, and that's 3. So we have 5/3. Well, 5/3 is an improper fraction, so let's change it to a mixed number. And let's do 5 divided by 3. 3 goes into 5 one time. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So I have 1 and 2/3. Each person gets 1 and 2/3 pounds of trail mix. That is your answer. Let's do one more. Okay, 6 people share 12 muffins. How much stuff do we have? We have 12 muffins. So 12 muffins is our numerator of 12. And how many people, or how many times are we going to break it apart? We're going to break it apart 6 times because we have 6 people sharing it. Okay, 12 over 6. That is an improper fraction, but if I go to work it out, let's do 12 divided by 6. Well, how many times does 6 go into 12? Exactly 2 times. We don't have a remainder, so your answer is just 2 muffins. They each get 2 muffins. And that's it.